Creative formats are crucial in social advertising. With over 5 million daily Facebook ads, only 1% achieve excellence. Facebook and Instagram, though sharing a platform, offer unique creative opportunities. Choosing the right format impacts engagement, conversion, and return on investment. Understanding these formats is key to successful advertising. With over 5 million daily Facebook ads, only 1% achieve creative excellence. Facebook and Instagram, though united in platform, offer unique creative opportunities. Choosing the right format is crucial for engagement, conversion, and return on investment. Understanding these formats is essential for successful social advertising, setting the stage for defining campaign objectives and structuring ads effectively. Understanding the Facebook and Instagram ad structure is crucial. At the campaign level, define objectives like awareness, consideration, or conversion. The ad set level involves setting targeting, budget, and placement. Finally, at the ad level, create the content. Aligning targeting with creative format ensures your message resonates effectively, driving campaign success. Image ads are single photo advertisements with clear messaging and strong visual hierarchy. Ideal for brand awareness, product highlights, and promotions, they should use high-resolution images and minimal text. Contrasting call-to-action buttons enhance engagement. Notably, ads featuring faces achieve 38% higher click-through rates, as per 2025 metadata. Video ads excel in storytelling, offering dynamic engagement. Instagram allows up to 60 seconds, but shorter videos, ideally 5 to 15 seconds, perform best. Captions are crucial as 85% of videos are watched without sound. Use them for product demos, brand stories, and tutorials. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds, include your logo early, and optimize for mobile. Carousel ads offer a swipeable format, displaying 2 to 10 images or videos in a single ad unit. They excel in showcasing product features, telling sequential stories, and highlighting benefits. Consistent branding and narrative flow are crucial. Carousel ads generate 10 times more clicks and have 72% higher click-through rates than static posts. Use unique call to actions per card strategically. Stories ads offer a full-screen vertical experience with a 9:16 aspect ratio, appearing between Instagram and Facebook stories. They're ideal for time-sensitive offers and event promotions. Enhance engagement with interactive elements like polls and countdowns. With 500 million daily users, Stories ads effectively reach younger audiences, blending seamlessly into organic content. Collection ads offer a seamless shopping experience by combining a striking cover image or video with a product grid. Users can shop directly within Facebook or Instagram. Perfect for retail and fashion brands, setup involves selecting Collection in Ads Manager, choosing a template, uploading cover creatives, connecting product catalogs, and customizing layouts. Explore ads appear in Instagram's Explore feed, targeting users discovering new content. They engage a higher intent audience with standard image or video formats. Reels ads, short vertical videos, mimic organic content on Instagram and Facebook, excelling with Generation Z and Millennials. They offer a 22% higher click-through rate than traditional placements. Lead ads revolutionize customer signups with mobile-optimized forms, pre-filled with user data, reducing friction. Users submit info without leaving Facebook or Instagram, minimizing abandonment. Seamlessly integrate leads into your customer relationship management via Graph API, Zapier, or comma-separated values downloads. Businesses see conversion rates soar by up to 183% compared to traditional landing page redirects. Craft compelling ad copy by using clear, benefit-driven headlines under 40 characters. Keep primary text conversational and concise, leading with value and ending with a strong call to action. Use action verbs to create urgency, like shop now or claim offer, to drive higher click rates. Implement a proven video script formula for effective client engagement. Begin by opening Ads Manager and selecting your campaign objective, such as conversions or traffic. Configure your ad set by defining the target audience, budget, and placements. Choose the carousel format, adding 2 to 10 cards with creative assets. Include unique URLs and call to actions for each card. Preview your ad, then publish. Track key metrics like impressions, click-through rate, cost per click, conversion rate, and return on ad spend to gauge ad performance. Implement A/B testing by altering one variable at a time, such as format, headlines, or call to action placement. Combat ad fatigue by refreshing creatives every 2 to 3 weeks, especially if click-through rate drops by 25% or more. Retail brands saw a 30% sales increase by combining carousel showcases with video testimonials, achieving 2.8 times return on ad spend in 60 days. A life coach doubled leads using Instagram video ads with a problem solution-proof formula. A beauty brand reduced cost per purchase by 45% using collection ads with instant experience. These strategies highlight the power of creative formats. Master creative formats by aligning them with your goals, combining elements for memorable ads, and testing to optimize performance. Start small, learn, and scale confidently. The best format resonates with your audience and meets your business goals. Begin experimenting and refine based on real data.